Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into a video on this location here in Indy that me and my boss were just kind of in the right place at the right time and met the right person, and got the opportunity to visit Silo Auto Club Conservancy here in Indy. And it is pretty cool. If you're ever in the area and you're interested in cars, go ahead and check this place out. Basically what it is it's a private club or bar and automotive storage for high-end cars. Well, I mean, anybody could, but it is a little bit more expensive than your standard automotive storage. So that's why most of the cars here are higher end. So basically you pay a monthly fee just for the membership for the bar area. And then it's basically like a museum of everybody's cars. They're taken care of while they're stored and everything as well, with very good security. I'll go through all the details as I'm walking around the cars and showing you those video clips. I'll go over more details about the actual place, but it's a really cool location. You can pay a monthly fee just for the bar area, or you can pay a monthly fee for the bar membership and to have your car stored there, up to 5+ cars. So it's a really cool place and the first of its kind here in Indy. So I thought it was really cool. We got to go there for the night. We hung out for a few hours and just kind of had a little bit of fun. Looked at all the cars and it was really cool, so I figured I might as well share some video clips with you guys of some of the cars there, and I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Let's get into this. Okay, YouTubers, so I'm just gonna do a voiceover of this, discuss some of the information that the Silo Auto Club has on their website, just some of the information they share, some of the things they offer, things like that. As I'm talking about this, we're just going to go through. You're going to see all the vehicles that are in here right now in storage. And I wish I would have got a video of the actual bar area. It's really nice. They have a virtual racing game as well. It's really cool. There's a lot to it. It's a really nice place. We had a great time, and I just want to share this with you. Also, at the end of the video, if you'd like to comment down below of your favorite vehicle that you saw in this, and which one you would consider purchasing if you could have one. So starting off, there's a Lincoln Filter in here. That's already the one I would pick. It's a Firebird. You're gonna see it in just a second. Completely custom. I'll have a better clip of it towards the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. But it is just a beautiful car, just beautiful. So getting into some of the information, I'm just going to read directly from their site as we go through this, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So, the Silo Auto Club and Conservancy, based on our genuine passion for anything on 2, 4, or more wheels. Growing up in Indy, it wasn't a surprise that our founder, Mike Simmons, developed his love of cars from a young age. He and his dad did more to tinker around in their garage. They built classic cars, a '69 Camaro being among one of their favorites. From the chassis up, years later, Mike and his wife would return to downtown Indy only to discover that the racing capital of the world was lacking a secure, upscale car storage facility. So what did we do? We bought an old building and resto-modded it, you might say. Mike and his team purchased a facility and carefully and lovingly restored it and renovated it into this auto shop of their dreams. From roomy, secure storage for more than 100 vehicles to 3 detailing wash bays with a lift, from a conference room, multiple conference rooms with the latest technology and all of that. It's basically a pit stop for gearheads and autophiles. Silo offers an experience unlike anything you'll find in central Indiana, and that's true. I've been to a lot of car places, or automotive places, and I've never been to something quite like this. It was a great time. As Hoosiers, we know this much. Cars are in our blood. Our hearts beat in time, the thrum of the engine, and our pulses race when we slide behind the blah, blah, blah. Yeah, you get it. They're car lovers, and that's why they built this place. Not going to bore you to death with that, but in it I'll go over the membership prices and everything that they include. So welcome to our garage away from home. At Silo, we're more than a garage. We're the garage of your dreams. We offer secure storage in a beautifully appointed facility that like nothing you've ever seen before.
Our storage facility features 24/7 security monitoring and protection, temperature-controlled concierge services, detailing services, access to the social club. So the membership pricing, if you just get a membership for the club with no cars, it's a $95 monthly fee. And that just includes, you can go through and look at the cars, and you can come in anytime and have a drink or just play pool or anything like that. Hang out, talk to the other car enthusiasts. So one car with the membership will be $245 with storage of one car. With 2 to 4 cars, it's $225 per additional car up to 4 cars. So 5+ cars, it's $195 per additional car. And then a motorcycle is $125. So if you just want a membership, $95. If you want to store your car there, $245. Or I believe you still have to have a membership on top of that, so it's probably $335 a month with one car and your club membership. So it is a little bit more expensive than your standard car storage, even your temperature controlled ones. But obviously you are getting a lot of features. They keep the vehicles on trickle chargers when necessary. They rotate them throughout the month. They make sure they all stay charged. They make sure fluids are always topped off and everything like that. They make sure to check through everything. And you can get detailing upon request. And with your membership, you get to use the conference rooms the first 2 times for free. They have little perks and stuff like that. So another portion of the website says, grab a beer, sit back, and talk shop with car lovers from all over Indy. Here you'll find not only a collection of some of the most exclusive, rare, just plain cool cars in the state, you'll also find a community of car guys and gals who love their rides just as much as you do. Swap stories about the car that got away, seek advice on finding parts, all that. Everybody knows how the car scene is. That's why we're here, for car lovers. Our social membership is available for $95 a month. The membership includes access to the members club and lounge, $45 food and beverage credit, limited time only, unlimited club access to driving simulators, that was the one I was talking about, member only events, classes, and shop talks, 2 free full day conference room rentals, and discounted event space rental. Your drink of choice always stocked in the member lounge. And I'm telling you, so you guys might have seen in some of my videos, I like to just have a whiskey every now and then, or a whiskey and Coke, depending on the whiskey I'm drinking. Well, I do a lot of whiskey hunting. I think it's fun, it's enjoyable, and I like finding those rare ones. Well, I've been looking for Eagle Rare, which it's funny because it says Eagle Rare, but it's really not all that rare. It is around me, but I was home in Nebraska for the holidays last year, and right after I left, my uncle sends me a picture of 3 bottles of Eagle Rare that he just found on the shelf. I've been looking for this stuff for 4 months. I can't find it anywhere. I come in, sit down at this lounge. I've looked all over Indy for Eagle Rare and many others, and I can't find it anywhere. I look up, and it's right in front of me. I was like, that's mine. Give me that. So I was expecting, like a single or double shot in a glass with ice. No, they were very generous with their drinks. So it was really nice. We just walked around, talked. It was me, my 2 coworkers, my boss, and the guy that we met at another shop that we were at, looking at some custom-built Cobra kit cars. And it was a blast. But once again, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts as well as your favorite car from the video. And I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, or if you haven't, please consider subscribing and stay tuned for more content. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Talk to you soon.